Which espresso machine is actually good for iced coffee? Simple question, but you have to dig a little to get the real answer. A lot of machines look the same, but only a few actually pull a strong, balanced shot that chills without tasting weak or watery. Today, we're breaking down the top 5.
Product number 1, Breville Barista Express. The Breville Barista Express is a favorite among home baristas, and for good reason. Priced at $689.99, it's not cheap, but it brings cafe-level control right to your countertop with its built-in grinder and manual espresso extraction. If you want rich, full-bodied espresso that stands up to ice without turning bitter or sour, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for iced coffee specifically. The PID temperature control ensures your water stays at the perfect heat. No under-extracted, sour shots that turn into weak iced coffee. The low-pressure pre-infusion gently saturates the grounds before full pressure hits, which helps pull out balanced flavor, even when you're brewing a double shot meant to chill. Plus, the steam wand lets you make cold foam ahead of time, so your iced latte stays creamy and layered. Now, some people complained about the learning curve, especially if you're new to dialing in grind size or tamping. Here's the thing though, once you get it dialed in, the consistency is solid. It's not fully automatic, so it demands a little attention, but that's also what gives you better control over your final drink. This is perfect for you if you're serious about coffee and want to craft iced espresso drinks that actually taste like they came from a specialty shop. Skip this one if you want one-button convenience or hate cleaning portafilters. For the price, it's a solid long-term investment. Product number 2, Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier. The Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier is a 3-in-1 powerhouse that does espresso, drip coffee, and rapid cold brew, all with guided assistance. Though the price isn't listed, it's positioned as a premium all-in-one, and it's clearly built for people who want variety without owning multiple machines. If you love iced coffee, but also want the option to make hot espresso or cold brew on demand, this one's a strong contender. What makes it great for iced drinks? The over-ice drip setting and cold-pressed espresso option brew at lower temperatures and slower rates, extracting smoother, less acidic flavors that shine when chilled. The built-in scale and weight-based dosing mean you're not guessing how much coffee to use, critical when you're making a concentrate for iced lattes. And the hands-free frother works with dairy and plant milks, so your cold foam comes out silky every time. That said, a few users mention the machine takes up more counter space than expected, and the interface can feel a bit busy at first. Here's the thing though, once you learn the presets, it's surprisingly intuitive. It's not as manual as a traditional espresso machine, but that's the trade-off for consistency and ease. This is perfect for you if you want one machine to handle all your coffee needs, especially if you rotate between iced coffee, cold brew, and espresso drinks. Skip this if you only care about straight espresso and don't need the extra brew styles. It's a great value if you're using all its features. Product number 3, Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker. The Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker is a budget-friendly $169.99 machine that punches above its weight, especially for iced coffee lovers. It's not a true espresso machine, but it has a specialty brew mode that makes a concentrated coffee perfect for iced drinks. If you want strong, flavorful iced coffee without spending hundreds, this is a smart pick. The over-ice setting brews directly onto ice, using a slower pour to extract more flavor without dilution, something most drip machines don't do well. You can also use the concentrate to make iced lattes or macchiatos, and the fold-away frother lets you add cold foam on top. It's simple, reliable, and makes iced coffee taste noticeably better than standard drip. Now, the downside, it doesn't pull real espresso shots, so if you're after that intense, syrupy crema, you'll be disappointed. Here's the thing though, for most people drinking iced coffee at home, this concentrated brew is more than enough, especially when you factor in the price and ease of use. This is perfect for you if you mainly drink iced coffee and don't need true espresso. Skip this if you're a purist who demands real espresso shots. For under $200, it's one of the best values for cold coffee lovers.
Product number 4, Jevi 20-bar Espresso Maker.
The Jevi 20-bar espresso maker is a compact, affordable option at $126.99 that still delivers real espresso pressure and a built-in milk frother. It's not fancy, but it gets the job done, especially if you're on a tight budget but still want to make iced espresso drinks at home. The 20-bar pump and pre-infusion help extract a fuller, more balanced shot, which is key when you're pouring it over ice. A weak shot turns watery fast, but the Jevi holds its own. The pressure gauge lets you monitor extraction in real time, and the steam wand froths milk quickly, great for making iced cappuccinos or cold foam. That said, a few buyers noted the water tank is small and needs refilling often, and the interface isn't as polished as pricier models. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's impressively capable. It won't replace a high-end machine, but it's a solid entry point. This is perfect for you if you want real espresso for iced drinks without spending big. Skip this if you brew multiple drinks daily or hate frequent refills. It's a steal for under $130.
Product number 5, Ninja Luxe Cafe Pro. The Ninja Luxe Cafe Pro is the big brother to the Premier, priced at $749.99, and it adds even more precision with an integrated tamper, dual froth system, and independent hot water line. If you want pro-level iced espresso drinks with minimal effort, this is as close as it gets to a cafe machine at home. It shines for iced coffee with its cold-pressed espresso mode, which brews slowly at lower pressure for a smoother, sweeter concentrate that doesn't turn bitter when chilled. The built-in scale and grind size recommendations take the guesswork out of dosing, and the dual frother makes cold foam in seconds. Plus, the hot water system means you can make iced Americanos or hot chocolates without switching machines. Some users said it's overkill if you only drink one type of coffee. Here's the thing though, if you love variety, especially iced espresso, cold brew, and lattes, this machine earns its keep. It's expensive, but the automation and consistency are top tier. This is perfect for you if you want one machine to do it all with cafe quality results. Skip this if you're on a budget or only drink simple iced coffee. It's a luxury, but worth it for serious coffee lovers.
So which one's best? The Breville if you want control, the Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier for variety, the Ninja Specialty for budget iced coffee, the Jevi for affordable espresso, and the Ninja Pro if you want it all. Each has its place. Pick based on your taste, budget, and how much you actually use it.